So, what's with this tomato and my red color t-shirt? Is it about tomatoes? Definitely not. It is about a timer that is related to tomatoes. It is the Pomodoro timer. Let me give you a brief history on Pomodoro technique. This was invented by Francesco Cirillo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. In late 1980s, he used this technique to maximize his productivity and to prevent procrastination. I'm pretty sure all of us will be procrastinating the most important works. We won't be procrastinating watching hours on Netflix, but we'll procrastinate studying and we'll procrastinate things that we actually want to do. So this Pomodoro technique is a lifesaver. So let us jump straight into it. This Pomodoro technique goes like this. You select a task that you want to do, then you set your timer for 25 minutes. Then start working on the task without getting distracted. Then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles of Pomodoro, you can take a longer break of 20 minutes. So 25 minutes, 5 minutes, then this goes 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 5 minutes, then 25 minutes, 20 minutes. So just continue this again. If you can, just repeat this the whole day. And the funny thing is, coincidentally, I was actually using this Pomodoro technique during my medical entrance preparation. Maybe that is why I got a medical seat. God knows. I am so happy that I know this technique properly now. Even during my first year MBBS preparation, I was using this Pomodoro technique constantly because this will help you prevent procrastination. There is this little pro tip. Just go on Google, search Pomodoro, click on the first website. There is this Pomodoro website on Google. So just click it and you can set the timer and you can start grinding immediately. Like right after this video, you can choose to stop seeing videos on YouTube. You can choose to stop wasting your time on YouTube and you can jump straight into your work and start studying or do something productive, start your artwork, start singing, do something useful. And also this Pomodoro technique comes with variations. If you are someone who is able to focus for a longer amount of time, then that's so good. For example, there is this 90-minute session and take a 30-minute break, so you can grind this whole thing throughout the day. And there is also 45 minutes, 5 minutes. I initially started with 25 minutes, 5 minutes, the raw Pomodoro technique, and then I improved it to 40 minutes block with a 10 minutes rest, or it depends. Try to avoid distractions during this timer. Think of closing your door. Throw your phone away because this phone is the best friend of yours and also the greatest enemy of yours. Try to put your phone on do not disturb. So what's stopping you from using this technique right away, right now? When this video ends, just go off, start doing something that actually matters to you and get it done. This technique has helped me beat procrastination and helped me be productive when necessary. If you found this video useful, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have a better technique than this Pomodoro technique, also please let me know in the comment section, because it won't only be useful for just me, it will definitely be useful for the fellow mates who look at the comment section as well. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon.